First, remove the caster fork cap and set aside. Then remove the caster wheel caps and set aside. Using a 5mm Allen wrench, loosen and remove the nut and bolt and set aside. Now you're able to remove the caster wheel. Using a 15mm wrench and a 19mm socket, remove the nut and washer and set aside. You are now able to remove the caster fork. When installing the new caster fork, don't forget the washer. After tightening the nut, make sure caster fork spins freely. Install caster mount cap. When installing new caster wheel, do not over-tighten. Make sure the caster wheel spins freely. Install caster wheel caps. You have successfully replaced your caster fork and caster wheel. You're ready to roll. Thanks for watching.